Hey guys, it's Grace. Welcome back to the channel. So today's video we are going to do a very mini haul. I accumulated some products that I haven't even opened. So the first thing I want to show you guys are the pens. We'll save the big ones for last. Pens and markers. So these two are from Michaels. They are basically just water-based markers, paint brushes, wood paint, you know, the brush tip ones. That's what I'm trying to say. Let's see if my camera focuses on it, but I wanted something for my daily pages in the Hobonichi Cousin, and I have been using just red pens to kind of segregate stuff. So I'll have something similar to this wherein I use the red ones to just kind of highlight something, but I figured let me try some Tombos out just to see what they look like. See, I've been using red pens almost every single day, or blue, so that's why I got two different colors. So the first one is in 942 and the other one is in N95. But I really like how they look. They're not too dark, not too light. I think just perfect on the Tomoe River paper. I'm gonna move these first and show you guys what they look like. I do have some areas here. So we're gonna start with the N95, and you can barely see it, right? And then that's 2 layers, just very light. It's very similar to the gray marker from, not marker, highlighter from the midliner ones. My midliner, is that how you say it? And then this one is just more of a lighter brown. The reason that I went to Kinokuya in the first place was I needed more of my cleaner. I got this maybe 2 months ago, and I really like it for my Hobonichi Cousin pages. I wanted to go and pick up some more, but sadly they don't even have the display for the cleaners anymore. Another reason why I went to Kinokuya was, as you could see, there's a tape now on my Jetstream. I broke it and I lost my other one, so I picked up 2 more Jetstream pens. They're about, where's the price? I left price on one of them, $2.95 at Kinokuya, and I love using these in my Tomoe River paper. I think they are the #1 and best pens you could ever use on the Hobonichis or any Tomoe River paper. Everything you see in the daily pages here are basically the Jetstream. I don't use, well, I do use the Cleana here too, or the Villa Beautiful pen, but this is what the Jetstream will look like on the Hobonichi. The next thing I got are these washi tapes from SeeAmyDraw, and I have been trying to get my hands on these for a really long time. When she originally released them, I think I wasn't paying attention on the date and I completely missed them. So these are the Schitt's Creek inspired washi tape. I got 2 of the sweater ones. I'm not sure about this one, but this one is called Annie, I think. Yeah, so I just got it because it's super cute. But these 2 though, look at that. David sweaters. One had the grid, one is just kind of like a light gray, and both of them have holographic foiling. And then this one is a grid. Let's see if it'll focus. Nope. There you go, with some stars. Alright guys, so the next thing and final thing I want to share with you in this mini haul is my package from Saucy Stickers Co. This is just an amazing packaging. This is her anniversary bundle, and I donated some samplers to go with the bundle. But let's just appreciate this whole thing. Look at that. Super pretty. So let's open it as it's intended to be. We have my name, and then I think this is stamped. Correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, Rebecca has been a good friend of mine. I think 4 or 5 years now. I think since she started her shop. So yeah, we've been there We've been friends for a while, but she's one of the shops that I should be buying more from because I like her aesthetic. I like how she lays out her kits. We are very similar in that, and I find it really hard to find other shops that I could, you know, relate to when it comes to their kit layouts and things like that, because some of the stuff I can't use. And Rebecca's one of the shops that I could be like, if I close my shop, I'll just probably buy from her. But yeah, so she has a little stamp here, and then down here it says forever is made of moments like this. Isn't that cute? All right, so open when you need words of encouragement. We're gonna save that. I really do like that washi though. We're gonna save that because sometimes we need that. So this is like the little, it had sticky notes, I believe, some little journaling cards that you could put in your planner. I don't want to ruin these. We're gonna take them all out. Oh, there's a little note. Oh, so cute, but look what she said. I just read her little note. Oh my freaking god. I drew this. I drew something, no, I didn't draw this one. I drew something similar pose with my kit, but oh my gosh, this is the freaking cutest thing ever. Because she knows I love Ghibli too. Alright, so this is a little like plastic thing. I just took it out. So we have some, I know what they're called, die cuts. Yes, die cuts. There's this one. These are, I think, the things that I'm most excited about when I saw them. Look how pretty. I think my lighting is washing it out, but look at that. And then Self-Love Club. And then the sticky notes. Let me see if I can focus on the floral. There's like a paint swatch there, and then a grid. I think the camera's washing it out a little bit. These things, these little things are so adorable. This is the one I was talking about. There's that one. Dear me, I love you more today than yesterday, but listen tomorrow. You are enough. Sometimes it's nice to leave these things around, probably in your planner, just to see, you know, remind you of things that you've accomplished something, you know what I mean? This is from Letters to Apollo. I think you can foil these. I wonder. And this is the sampler we donated. It's pretty much a standard size sampler. I think I sent her 2 different sizes. I'm not sure. I don't remember now. But I wanted to go something similar to her design and scheme of things. So I did some of that like line art, and the color, I went with the lighter ones that matches her aesthetic. And then Rose and Tea shop. Actually, Rose and Tea I have been following for a little bit. It's beautiful stickers. This one, oh, so cute. Fun fact, when I was little, I was a big stamp collector, so I obsessed with those kind of things. And then here is the sticker kit. I'm not sure what size she sent me. Might be standard vertical, but this is one of the things that came with. It has silver foil. And then look at that. Oh, so pretty. I hoard her kits. I don't know if you guys know that. I have a bunch of her kits and I hoard them. So that's the first page. The second page was your headers, date covers, the more functional stuff down here. Page number 3, half boxes, quarter boxes, they're all foiled, just like the little detail. So cute. And then you have this one, bottom washi, super pretty. I like this too. So that's her letters to myself anniversary bundle. I think I was on her website yesterday. I think there's still a little bit left. So also, if you are an international shop, I highly recommend going through her Etsy. I believe is still open for international just to deal with the VAT stuff and things. But yeah, alright guys, that's it for my mini haul. Thank you so much for watching, and if you guys want to see more hauls and me talk about things other than my shop, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, alright, I will see you guys next time. Bye.